Well, hey guys, Fudgeman here, and I'm gonna do Let's Play episode 31. And I'm eating. I'm just gonna continue the farm. So just bring me up. Good. Torches have to be on the pillar, like that. And like station, I can do that. Okay, that's perfect. Give me that, go, Let's just like bring this up. You know what? That's perfect. It's very small in here. That's why we're doing this thing. We're doing this thing. Okay, so let's check if the collection point works. So do you have bone meal now? Well, so we're gonna do that. And it will go down slowly. And it will go here. Perfect. Okay, so we have one farm done. 2 more to go, so that's gonna be pumpkin and watermelon. Oh god. Okay. So we're gonna do the exact same thing with this. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video until we go there. So hey guys, I'm back and I did a lot already. I'm just gonna show you the last farm, and it's the watermelon farm. Yeah, the watermelon farm. And I already did the melon farm and stuff, almost the exact same, and I made fences and stuff. So here we got the big spacer, so this is gonna be the fast. So then first, then we go with the water first, then we go with water. We go with water. Then we go, shoot, good. We go with water. Water again. We're gonna have 4 mining, no, 4 farming things. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. And then I have a water source here. That's really handy for me. One there, and there, and there. And of course, one here. And then the middle will have 3 buckets, but only have 2. Keep on going back, going back, going back, going back, going back, going back. Last. Perfect. Then we're gonna make some, oh god, we got a million materials from this. We're gonna make some, these stuff. This is really good. I think this is really gonna be good. Then half slab there, and let's see if it works. Of course it does. Oh, one got stuck here. Of course it does, of course it does, of course it does. But then, not all of this should do. Okay. Now it's time to farm. I mean, plant this stuff. So, pumpkin, watermelon, and seeds. Ah, get out of here. Get axe. Gosh. What? Why won't I get it? Let's bring that out. Okay. There's some already grew. Let's see if that works. No. I have a broken heart. Well, well, I think some will work. I don't know. Okay, let's just replant that, plant this, plant that. Wait. I think I know what's better. Just okay, like that. And then we're gonna do half slabs galore. So half slabs. No. Did that destroy the water? Yeah, it did. It did. Why is this? Okay. I think we need more halfies. Crafting table. And let's make more halfies. Gonna need a lot of halfies today. Okay. Then like this, then like this, then like this, then like this, then like this. Oh shoot. Not like that, like this, then like this, then like this, then like this. It's gonna be like this, you can like, for example, like that. Perfect. Okay, so that's the farm. Now get out of my face. Poopy slash wet weather clear. Yep, clear it, please clear it. I said clear it. Poopy. Okay. So, oh, why is this? Oh, well, it's glitching. I don't care. I still get it. Oh yeah, cause I don't. Oh, freaking hell. That's gonna despawn soon, but that's fine. Okay, so this is pumpkins, and this is only gonna occupy one and some lanes, I think. I don't know. Kobe. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then in watermelon seeds, we have here. We're gonna have to do this first. Oh shoot! Good day. Okay. Shoot. What? more. I need more. I need more hair slabs. No, I need that crafting table. Oh God. 18 halfies. I was the king, I had the golden throne. Where was it then? By designs. Okay, so like, yeah, like that. Or like this. This, not like that. Like this, like this, and like this, and like this. That's perfect, I think. Yes, that's perfect. That's really very perfect. Golden throne. And everything's on the wall. Like a Bowser. Oh, I don't need you. Okay. Wow. Actually, I don't really need that. Okay, watermelon seeds. This is what I want. Okay. So the farm is done. So this has been Fujiman, and bye.